we got a 50 horse Copeland semi coming out of a 200-ton McKay split system. Crank her up.
Way, John. We gotta prop this up. Otherwise we're gonna crush it. See how it's up off the track?
Put that 2x-iron under it. Pull that sleeve out of that the lift.
Do we got anything thicker?
The 2x-iron out of that lift over there.
Pull this out?
Right there, look at my finger. Right there, the lift, the engine lift, that tube, but the tube sleeve in there would be the perfect. That should.
So that was slipping out. I don't know what you're putting.
That'll work, right? Sideways? That's it. The metal ain't gonna stretch. Crank it up.
Watch that flanger on that side.
1,200 pounds. All right, here we go. Watch that top too. It don't snap down and come around on you, Johnny. You got a cheater pipe behind you too if you want to use that to leverage a little bit.
Pretty easy on the steel. This thing's gonna be a little hairy. You all right, Mitch? How we doing over there? Check this thing. Shoot it up pretty good.
Let me see how your hand is.
Oh, I'm fine.
Yeah, it's nothing.
I just need to push it that way while I'm jacking it up. Just don't stand in front of it. We're gonna come down.
Yeah, that terminal's fried on there. One bad terminal on the second phase.
Number 6.
Number 6 terminal burnt to a crisp.
Crispy.
All right, gentlemen. Whoa! Watch that main, man. Jack, get some tension on that fucker.
I tell you don't stand in front of it.
That electrical box got me concerned, man.
Alright, I'm gonna need somebody to help.
Little more tension.
Ooh, there's oil in this one.
There you go. You're in the air now. Now we can right there's good. Now we can wiggle it with the pipes and start jacking it down. There's a pipe right there, Mitch. Kind of pop it out a little bit so it's. And then if you can get the legs sitting on the. Everything looks good. Minimal damage. Start jacking her down, no?
Yeah,
It'll dip right out.
right
I don't think you should spin it because you're going to be kind of floating in the. I think you should start jacking it down and set it down like that.
I don't think we're jacking.
No, you're in a. He's good. It'll dip down. Leave it, Mitch. Don't fuck with it. It'll dip right down and fucking go. think there's a lever being. Oh yeah, you got it, Jenny. Beautiful. Take that. You need a hand with that, John?
Huh?
You need a hand with that?
No, I'm just trying to stay clear of this bed.
I hear you. Don't stop now, Jenny.
Yeah, well, I just don't want it to bang into this.
All right, hold on right there a second, John. This is, oh, I've done this hundreds of times. That's it. She's out.